horseshoe section is taken from the crown through to the high recession. With the head upright, starting at the back, the hair is held at 90 degrees. Holding the fingers parallel to the horseshoe section, the hair is point cut to a suitable length. In this case, 1 finger's depth. The technique is repeated around the head through to the sides. Check balance. Horseshoe sections are repeated above the round of the head. Each one is combed to natural fall, elevated to 45 degrees, and point cut onto the block graduation guideline. This technique is continued around the head until all the hair that reaches the guideline has been cut. A profile section is taken from the crown through to the front hairline. Starting at the front, the hair is combed to 90 degrees and point cut to follow the head shape. This profile section is extended down behind the crown. It is combed to 90 degrees and point cut, rounding to the head shape. Pivoting radial sections are continued around the crown, combing and point cutting at 90 degrees. Keeping the profile section in place, across the top, the hair is sectioned horizontally. The section is combed to 90 degrees and point cut square from the profile to the round of the head. Working forward, horizontal sections are continued and the technique repeated. The last section is over-directed back to maintain squareness through the front hairline and to allow for the recession area. Check balance. The hair is dried, and then the scissor over comb technique is used, starting in the centre back of the hairline and worked up to the block graduation guideline. Using the wide teeth of the comb, this technique is repeated around the back of the head through to the sides, keeping the comb parallel to the hairline and working against the direction of growth. The perimeter is detailed with a barbering comb. Using the scissor over comb technique in the same way. The hair on the neck is removed with the points of the scissors, maintaining the natural hairline shape. The front hairline is personalised further with point cutting. The hair is power dried. Here, the hair has been coloured using a shoe shine technique. This can be viewed on our classic colouring series. The corners are texturized further with point cutting. A finishing product is applied to emphasize the texture. Textured crop recap. Above horseshoe. Partings and sections move from a horseshoe into profile, into pivoting radials, and back through into horizontal. Distribution is 90 degrees to over-directed. Elevation moves from 45 degrees into 90 degrees into over-directed. And the line is point cut square. Below horseshoe, the scissor over cone technique is used.